Peter Haddock, and today I'm here with Steve Edwards, who is the aftermarket specialist here at Blue Central. We are here at JW Waste and Recycling. We're just a mile outside of Manchester, and there's an awful lot of product coming through here. Now, Steve, you've got your brand new jacket on that says Blue Care.
Yeah, absolutely.
What is going on here? It's a brand new system, isn't it?
We've introduced a fleet of aftermarket packages for customers. So all the way through from basic solution management and all operational management and total solution packages like what we've got here at JWS today.
So Steve, this is the first one in the UK, the brand new Fuchs machine, covered by the brand new Blue Care system. So as we look through this solution, what is it covering off and why have you launched it now?
So we've launched it now because we've seen an increased demand from our customer base. We start with the monitor, which is your basic solution of your oil sampling, of your telematics, running through to your monitor and your full managed total solution, which is your rental, which is your R&M, which is your servicing, and the full package really, and then part of the rental package for the future really.
So what was interesting, folks, is Tim here, who's the MD, he said to me, I don't want to own my equipment, I'm a waste and recycling specialist, and he's getting pressure from his customers to decarbonise. So decarbonisation is a big thing here. So it's not just what we call the traditional fuel-powered Fuchs that we're looking at. In the future, he's going to get high voltage into this site to get it fully electric. So the whole point of Blue Care is the journey that the customer goes through and how that's supported and new equipment's brought in as well.
We can supply now your traditional, diesel run machines, and obviously we also have electric machines coming into the product range now. So we can go full electric, hooked up to the mains as well through an umbilical cord. And again, they can be covered by the total package. So it helps customers like Tim, to manage their carbon emissions.
And I think what's really important about this, folks, is it's all of those phases. When you monitor something effectively, Steve, you can see the tiny little trends that happen. And in a past life, I used to talk a lot about all of this monitoring when you're talking about big quarry machines. Now it's coming to these smaller material handlers. It's the same principles, isn't it?
Very much the same principle. The fuel consumption, we monitor the fuel consumption through the telematics for the customer, and we can tell them where their drivers are over revving the machine and not getting the best efficiencies out of the machine. We monitor that back at base for them.
And so it's not just about the machine's efficiency, it's about the whole
total
site's
package.
efficiency.
It is,
and what's really important about this is, in these times when busy sites like this are operational round the clock, I think they only settle down at Christmas Day here, Steve.
No, they don't.
And when it's around the clock like that, you're going to have other people operating that machine. And it's about getting everybody up to the skill level, isn't it?
That consistent skill level across the team helps the customers, reduce their carbon footprint and their, essentially their emissions.
So it's making sure everything goes back on the bottom line here with Blue Care. Thanks very much, Steve. Brand new machine working behind us, and obviously, as I've done this here, we've seen it been loading this unit here for one of the customers, but previously, just 5 minutes ago, it was doing another one. So it's so important to keep these machines rolling here, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got to keep them running all the time, and that is, another piece of it is keeping the uptime, maximising the uptime for the customers, or minimising the downtime, however way you look at it. And that, is done through all our servicing as well.
So it's enough of our time now. We've got lots of uptime here, thanks to Blue Care. Thanks so much, Steve. And JWS Waste and Recycling for having me here today. Cheers.
Cheers, thanks, Peter.